So when it comes to public records, a lot of people don't know how to get public records disputed and then get public records deleted. So right now I'm at LexisNexis. I just had a conversation, very, very good conversation. And one of the things consumers need to understand is that information on your consumer report must be accurate. See, when information isn't accurate, you are able to dispute these accounts and then you're able to get them deleted. So for anyone that's having issues with deleting any sort of public records, guess what? I'm your guy. So I want you guys to tune in. If you're a credit repair business owner, I want you to tune in to the Credit Repair Business Owners Challenge I will be having. So I want y'all to click the link below. We're gonna go over how we get public records deleted, but more so, we're gonna go into the little nuances of how you scale and grow your business. So click the link below, sign up for the Credit Repair Business Owners Challenge. Come on, let's get it, let's go.